Welcome to Excel Speedrun episode 12. By the end of this video, we are going to learn about what is a pivot table and what is recommended pivot table. A pivot table is a powerful tool to calculate, summarize, and analyze data that lets you see comparisons, patterns, and trends in your data. You can think of a pivot table as a report. With little effort and no formulas, you can look at same data in many different perspectives. You can group data into categories, break down data into years and months, filter data to include or exclude categories, or even build the charts based upon the data. It is very useful tool in Excel. So, if you want to build a pivot table, the first and foremost thing which is necessary is the table. Under the table, we have recommended pivot table and the pivot table. Recommended pivot table analyzes data in your table and adds a pivot table or recommends you or options. Then we have pivot table. Under the pivot table, we can see that the data is customly added by you. We are going to learn how to create a pivot table later in the next video. In the Insert tab, we can find various recommended pivot tables. Now let us see how does this work in Excel. Here we have got ourselves the data. Now let us see how the pivot table works. First, including the header, select the data and except the total row, select all the data. Now go to the Insert tab and then under the tables you get first pivot table, then you get recommended pivot table, then you have create a table. But since it is already a table, you cannot create it table again. But if you haven't created the table, you must create the table before adding recommended pivot table. It is not compulsory necessary, but since you have headers, it makes it more easier. Now let us see how to work with recommended pivot tables. First pivot table you are going to see is the sum of total amount, comma sum of price, or quantity of item. So under the row label of we have glass color, oil paint, paper, and pencil. Next we have the total amount. Afterwards we have sum of price, and then we have sum of quantity. Next we have sum of price by item. So here under the row labels we can get glass color, oil paint, paper, pencil, and the sum of prices in total. Next we have sum of quantity by item. So you can see the total number of item through this. You can see is in the first. This is mixture of the next two. Then we have sum of total amount by item and region. So we can get amount from east and west separately and get the same amount as grand total. Following we have sum of price by region and date. Under the east west and on 4 different days, you can see the amount purchased and see the grand total same. OK. Then you just have to click on OK. But if you want to change the pivot field, you can change it. We are going to learn more about it once we learn how to operate the pivot tables. But till then, This is a recommended pivot table. We add the pivot table and cross the fields. And this is how you add pivot table in Excel. Thank you so much for watching. Please check out our next video in which we explain in detail about the working of the pivot table, and check out our different videos too. Till then, bye.